Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. This is Miss Malukas with your morning announcements on this wonderful Wednesday. Today is April 21st, and today is an A-Day. Let's get started. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing or simply silent and respectful for an additional moment of silence. Thanks, guys. On to the birthdays. 2 seems to be the magic number. Another 2 birthdays to announce today. Happy birthday, Ian Mendez in 6th grade. And happiest of happy birthdays to 11th grader Brandon Ramos. You guys share your birthdays with lots of people, but in particular, the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II. I hope you all have a phenomenal Wednesday. You've had a great week so far and continue to do so. Happy birthday, guys. On this day in history, today is April 21st. We lost a great one. In 2016, on April 21st, legendary musician and megawatt star Prince dies at 57. On the morning of April 21st, 2016, Prince, the polymathic musician who created more than 30 albums and won 7 Grammy Awards over a 40-year career, is found dead in Paisley Park, his Minnesota home and recording studio. The cause of death was an accidental overdose of the opioid fentanyl. He was 57. In the hours and days after the news broke, fans around the world mourned his death with massive memorials. In a statement, President Obama said few artists have influenced the sound and trajectory of popular music more distinctly, or touched quite so many people with their talent. Prince Rogers Nelson was born on June 7th, 1958, in Minneapolis, to musicians Matty Shaw and John Nelson. As a teenager, Prince played in bands with his friends. In 1978, when he was 20, he signed his first record contract with Warner Bros. And that same year released his debut album, For You. Nearly every year after that, he released a new album. Prince's 6th studio album, Purple Rain, released in 1984, was a high point. The album spent 24 consecutive weeks at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart, spawned 2 hit singles, When Doves Cry and Let's Go Crazy, won the Grammy Award for Best Rock Performance, and sold 13 million copies. The accompanying film of the same name, which starred Prince in a loosely autobiographical role, won the Academy Award for Best Original Song Score. Both the album and the film's success launched Prince to international stardom. Throughout his career, Prince defied and transcended genre. His music fused elements of funk, R&B, rock, and pop into what later became known as Minneapolis sound. Famously, he usually played all of the instruments on his albums himself, including 27, ranging from piano to electric guitar to finger cymbals, on For You. He also toured frequently and was known as an especially electrifying live performer. In the years before his death, Prince had been taking prescription pain medication for chronic hip pain. It is believed he was struggling with opioid addiction. He still recorded and performed during this time. His last album, Hit and Run Phase 2, was released in December 2015. In October 2016, 6 months after Prince's death, Paisley Park opened to the public for tours. In 2016, Prince's estate sold more albums than any other artist did that year, dead or alive. We've been sharing this for a few weeks now. Austin Rehab, if you or someone you know is struggling with substance abuse, check out this tiny URL or reach out to someone you trust on campus. ACT calculators, return calculators if you borrowed one from the school. You or your parents or guardians can drop them off in the front office from 9 to 3. Tell the front office that you're here to drop off the calculator. If you've got a calculator, please turn it in. We need them. Reach out to any teacher, specifically Ms. Gonzalez, Ms. Garza, or Mr. Rodriguez if you've got any questions. April's Autism Awareness Month. Hopefully you are wearing blue today, April 21st, to show your support. Anxiety is real. If you are struggling with anxiety or would simply just like to talk more about it, Miss Deborah Williams is your go-to person. Prom. Exciting times. Prom is May 14th. See this slide for additional info. If you're an 11th or 12th grader interested in becoming a mentor, tinyurl.com/Montop Become a Mentor is the spot for you. If you are a 9th or 10th grader interested in getting a mentor, tinyurl.com/Montop Get a Mentor is your link. Check your grades. We're in the home stretch. Grades are important. You guys have all worked really, really hard to get this far. Don't lose it in the end. Attendance. If you're hearing my voice, you're probably going to your classes, but you probably also know someone who isn't. Take a moment right now and text a friend who could benefit from a reminder to log in. Here's the schedule for our middle school students. Pause if you need a reminder. 9th and 10th grade, here's your schedule. Juniors and seniors, this one's for you. Questions? Text at 512-814-5326. Find us on Facebook. Remember that Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. If no one else tells you today, remember that we love you, believe in you, and always will. Enjoy Move This World.